To my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use Remis to write a first smart contract and deploy it right there on Remis. And in subsequent video, I'll show you how to do the same using VS Code. But for today, the focus is going to be on Remis. So let's get started. Okay, in previous video, I showed you a walkthrough on how to make use of Remis. So Remis is simply more like your Replit. For those of you that know Replit, is an online platform that helps you to write smart contracts, smart contract code, EVM compatible smart contracts. So, and this smart contract is written using Solidity. Now, in Remis, as you can see, it comes when you create it for the first time. It comes with a simple, a couple of three smart simple contracts where you can learn how to work with it. So basically, we are going to be exploring one of those smart contracts, this storage smart contract. So now this line is talking about the license that you want to use, and this is the Solidity version you want to make use of. And this is just a description of what this contract is about. The title, story, retrieve, value, and what you have here. So now the contract name is storage, and then there is uint number. This is a global state, and then this is a state variable, so to speak. And then this is a function to store number. Is a public. Is the visibility here is public, so it's going to be publicly accessible. Then, so this comment stored value in variable, param number value to store. So this is the param, the number that you want to store. So we are saying this number here in our state variable is equals to this number that we are going to input when interacting with the contract. And then this is retrieve. So this method is going to be called to retrieve the number that we have entered. So having done this, if this is the smart contract you have, so you just want you to click on this play. This place simply deploys the contract, and if you come here, you see that the contract has been compiled. So this is it right here. Then, if we come to this place, we can now interact with this contract by deploying it. So because we don't want to start going to MetaMask to sign transactions and all, we'll do that in later video. But now we're just going to use this. And then we'll deploy. So now it has been deployed. Using this app is pretty much faster than using MetaMask because you have to wait for the transaction to be sent to the network and all. So yeah, so we enter a number here, maybe 10, and then we click on transact. So that transaction is successful. That's why you see this part is tick, and you can pretty much check in the box to see the detail of the transaction. And then we can retrieve the number that we have entered, which is 10. Alright guys, so basically that's it for this simple tutorial walkthrough on using Remis to write and deploy your smart contract. And thank you guys for staying with me on this video. If you have any question, please feel free to drop it in the comment, and I will see you in my next video. Please do to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye for now.